Hello everyone and welcome back to a new Systeme tutorial where I'm going to show you how you can download your very own videos from your Systeme account. Let's say for example here you have a page built under Systeme.io and you have a video and you want to download your very own video. How you do it? See, I don't have any button here, and if I go to the editor here, I don't have any options. So this is my funnel. I have the video here and I don't have any options to download my video here. So how do I do it? I'm going to show you in this video. So first of all, if you don't have yet your Systeme.io Launch Kit 2.0, where I give you 4 done for you systems to generate your first $1,000 a month, please just click the link in the description and you will have access to this for free. It's 4 funnels, email sequences, automations, everything. It's free. Click the very first link in the description. Also, if you don't have a Systeme account, you can create one for free by clicking the very first link in the description. So let's get started. From here, you see I have my video. I have my video here. I have my video file. I gave it a name. It's super important when you upload any type of any type of image or video, anything to Systeme.io. It's super important to give it a proper name right here, because this is what's going to help us find it in our Systeme.io account. So let's say I want to find this video so I can download it again and I want to use it somewhere else. I'm going to grab the name right here. I'm going to copy it, exit my funnel. I'm going to click on assets right here and files. Just going to open it in a new tab. And you can see from here I have a page where I have all my files that I've uploaded to my Systeme.io account. So I can search by name, I could search by source, or I could search by the type of file that I'm looking for, video, image, anything. So I'm going to copy and paste the name of my video. I'm going to click on search, and here I found my video that I want to download. From here, I'm going to click on the 3 dots on the right, and I have a menu, a drop-down menu where I have the file details. I have the possibility to download the file, rename it, or simply delete it. So this is why, again, it's super important when you have your file here, any type of file that you upload, to give it a proper name. So in this case, you can find it really easily then inside of the asset sections under files right here. Okay. So if you have any questions, please, and you can also, I didn't say, but it's obvious, you can upload the files from here. Okay. So again, thanks again for watching this video. If you liked it, please like and subscribe to the channel, and I see you in the next tutorial.